Hi everyone, we are in Prince George with Chris and Dyah from Canada. Guys, what is your favorite thing about Prince George?
I like the blue skies.
Yeah, we agree it's the weather. Most people love the coast and Vancouver area, which is beautiful, but they get much more rain than we do here. We have a lot more blue skies and that cheers me up. Maybe you need to hold it up on a higher angle.
So it's our last day here, and I think the Starlink has performed really well. Mel said earlier that it's basically just like our internet at home. I've had a Zoom call. It went pretty well. I had like a little bit of freezing here and there. Mel had a video call as well, and she said it was pretty much perfect. And I will say, we're not even in an optimal spot. We have trees. Tree over there, tree over there, tree up there. And the app actually does show significant obstructions because of those trees. So we are not getting the maximum speed. If you're somewhere where there's a lot of trees, you will get interruptions that could give you little freezes in your video calls or even pauses in your video streaming. But other than that, especially if you're somewhere that doesn't have any cell phone signal at all, Starlink is a total game changer.
Okay, we're here with our friends, Dyah and Chris, and Dyah has very kindly offered to show us how to make one of her Indonesian recipes.
I'm gonna make chicken opor. This is already blender, all the ingredients.
You're a multitasking genius here. You've got 3 things going. So this one's sambal goreng kentang.
Yes.
And what's this one for again?
Opor ayam.
Opor ayam. All I can say is that this smells amazing. I wish I could send it to you through the camera. So while Dyah and I are slaving in the kitchen, or rather, Dyah is slaving in the kitchen, the boys are playing chess.
Yeah.
I'm losing quite badly.
I love the tiny board. It's
Yeah,
so
this
cute.
is a little travel set I bought in Romania like 20 years ago, 20
Oh,
plus
wow.
years ago.
So Dyah, where did you learn to cook?
YouTube. I didn't cook at all, and then when I moved here, I have to cook. So that's when I learned. The greatest thing about YouTube, you can learn everything. Like
Anything and everything, right? Like,
yeah.
All right, we are now leaving Prince George. We've had such an awesome time visiting with friends, and we loved everything about Prince George except the mosquitoes.
Yes. But the journey is not over yet. We've got to get home, and we have at least 3 stops planned. So let's do it.
Let's go. Mel's using the military-grade mosquito spray.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
There's a few bugs.
So we've made it about an hour down the road. We're here at Chubb Lake Recreation Site. We're meeting up with Chris and Emilie. And we're gonna just have breakfast together, and then they're continuing their trip north, and we're heading south back home.
Basically just crisscross.
Be sure to check out their video. We're gonna link it somewhere up here.
Great seeing you guys.
Great seeing you.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Yeah.
Safe travels.
Bye, Benny.
So another stop we would recommend is the Williams Lake Visitor Center. It's really new, it's really nice. They've got all sorts of souvenirs and things to buy, and
Ice cream. This is a single. Look at the size of this thing.
they've got lots of RV parking too. Perfect little stop along the way.
So we just went past Frog Rock, which you might remember we came and saw last year when we were camping up this way. We couldn't even see it. That's how high the water levels are this year with the river. We're also seeing a bunch of the wildfire damage up around Ski-Hiss Provincial Park that came up through the valley after taking out the town of Lytton last summer. A little bit sad to see all of that today.
With Chris and Dyah from... should have had a drink of water.
Take two.
Be very quiet. It's Mel's afternoon nap time.
Oh boy. Oh. Okay. We're also seeing a bunch of the... Make sure you don't miss the next video by liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.